Hello, Kinder Cubs. We are going to do a review lesson. We are going to review beginning sounds. Now we're going to review these letters. Are you ready? Short A. Say ah, ah, ah. Good job. So we're going to do it. Short A sound. We're going to do the M sound. Say mmm. Good job. I'm going to write the capital and the lowercase. I'm writing upside down, guys. It's not that easy, but I'm doing it. And we are going to do hard C. Say k, k, k. All right. Ah, k. All right, remember we're doing beginning sounds. All right. I have an animal called a camel. Where does he want to go? Should he go there? No. No. Yep. Camel starts with C. Camel. What about this? Fruit. Apple. Apple. You guys tell me where to put it. A, M, or C? Hey, very good. Thank you guys for helping me. What about a magnifying glass? I'm looking in it to make something look larger. Tell me where it goes. Magnifying glass. I heard someone say M. Good job, guys. This is a crown. Crown. Somebody tell me where to put it. Yeah, letter C. Thank you. What about this? Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Somebody tell me where to put him. M? You're right. Thank you for helping. Money. Where do you guys think the money should go? Yeah, it goes with M. Good job, guys. M. This is a candy cane. Now you guys are starting to see these in the stores, aren't you? Because it's almost Christmas. Candy cane should go where? Letter C. You got it, guys. This is something, it's not a broom. You get it wet and you clean the floor with it. It's called a mop. What letter do you think mop begins with? M. Very good. Alligator. This is a tiny one. Alligator. Where should he go? Yes, letter A. Thank you. And then finally we have these. We've seen them before. Inside of here are little bitty ants. Ants. Where do you think the ants should go? Letter A. You guys are getting so good at recognizing beginning sounds of the alphabet letters. You guys, I want you to practice A, M, and C. I want you to write something that starts with an A, something that starts with an M, and something that starts with a C in your remote learning journal. Talk to you guys soon.